very cool very sweet very good จ้าเย่จือเฮาจ้า
Maeklong Railway Market. That's where we are. Hello, Sawadikap. Let's take a look around here, see what this place is all about. Starting to have a lot of tourists here, and it's very early in the morning. It's about 7:30, and a lot of Japanese tourists, Chinese tourists already. Oh yeah. Just about everything you could want is here. Plenty of oranges, plenty of fruit and veg, plenty of other things. And of course the big thing here is when the train comes, which the next train comes at about 8:30, and we'll be here waiting for it to see exactly what goes on. Everybody goes crazy, puts the awning down, makes room for the train. Fish cake, fish meatballs. Seating for customers purchasing smoothies only. I would say popular place there. And when it gets going in the afternoon, seating will be at a premium. Just whack them on the head, boom, they're dead. That's it. Boom, boom. One smack on the head and that's the end for them. I don't know how long this stretch of rail is, but it's not all that long. You'll see. We'll be done in a minute here. I know there's a coffee shop up ahead, and I think I'm going to dip in and get myself a cappuccino or an espresso. I'll get something. And of course the market runs, you see here. Here we are right here along the railway, and if you look in here, everybody wants to walk on the tracks because there's limited room on the sides. No, well, I thought there was a coffee shop up ahead. Maybe I missed it. I'll have to go back. Here we are. Maeklong Railway Station. And as you can see, everybody here wants to take selfies. Let's see what's down here. Maybe I can get a coffee down here. Sawadee krap. Now I got here at about 7 o'clock, 7:15, and there was only a couple of people. Now this place is full. Elephant pants, 100 baht, as they should be. If you negotiate, you can get it lower, but you got to buy a couple of them, and you know. Maeklong Railway. Maeklong Station. Toilet, 10 baht. This one is 10 baht. Toilet, 10 baht. Twice as expensive as in the market. Well, this is it. This is the reason why I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning, left at about 5, got to the actually I woke up at about 4. I left at 4:45 because the Grab driver was like 5 minutes away, and then he took me to the new van station at Mochit. That van left at 5:30 and I was here by 7. Beautiful, perfect timing, although it is already really hot. It's supposed to get to 48 degrees Celsius, which is 118 degrees Fahrenheit. It is bloody hot. Train Cafe. สวัสดีครับแป๊บนึงครับ Maeklong Station. Hot cappuccino, cold air, 50 baht. Let's see how the coffee is. 50 baht for a coffee. Hard to beat that. I think I got a cappuccino today. 50 baht cappuccino. And there are tourists everywhere now, and it's only about 8 o'clock. 8:05.
โปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงโปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงด้วยความปรารถนาดีจากกองบัญชาการตำรวจท่องเที่ยวโทร1155
Attention please. From oncoming or departing trains, please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line. Police, wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you require any assistance. Call police 1155.
Excuse me, can I go inside?
Sure.
So it depends how everyone has to stand behind this line.
โอ้มีระเบียบใหม่ไว้เดี๋ยวนี้ระเบียบใหม่เชื่อม
โปรดทราบอีกสักครู่จะมีขบวนรถไฟเข้ามาจอดเทียบชานชาลาสถานีผู้โดยสารผู้ค้าขายนักท่องเที่ยวโปรดระมัดระวังอันตรายจากขบวนรถไฟที่อาจจะเกิดขึ้นได้โปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงโปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงด้วยความปรารถนาดีจากกองบัญชาการตำรวจท่องเที่ยวโทร1155
Attention please. From oncoming or departing trains, please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line. Police, wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you require any assistance. Call police 1155.
no 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 ง่วงไปนอนได้เดี๋ยวผมปิดให้ส่งเบียร์เลย ตรงนี้ส่งเบียร์เอ้ยจะไปอีกเอ้ยเดี๋ยวก็มาโอเคเซ็นตี้เลยนะเราตัวใหญ่นะ stand only don't move
อายุ ready
Yes.
ให้ชาขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
very cool very sweet very good จ้าโอเค